morning, students. Once again, a very hearty welcome to the English world of Aradhya. Myself, Rasmin sir, imparting knowledge of English to the students of 9 to 12 standard in English medium. Students, in my previous videos, we have already taken your fifth lesson. The title of the lesson is Indigo, written by Louis Fisher. Remember, this particular lesson about Mahatma Gandhi is written by Louis Fisher, an Englishman. Okay, students, now we have already seen what is the condition over here. In my previous videos, I have already given you the background. When Gandhiji came to India in 1915, nobody knew him, and he wanted to start a fight over here, freedom fight on a non-violence level only. But before that, he just took a round of India. Okay, he observed the people of the condition of the people because he wanted common people to join this fight. So if their basic needs are satisfied, they will be ready to fight to support him. So that's why first he took the round of India and he realized that many of our people are not getting 2 times meal, or they are not getting enough clothes also to cover their bodies. So that time only he decided that he would wear only dhoti till every countryman gets enough clothes to wear. Okay. Afterwards, students, also when he attended certain public meetings here in India, people did not know him. He had successfully fought for the rights of the Indians in South Africa. But here nobody knew him. So he wanted something as a quick limelight. Okay. And that was provided by this particular incident, Indigo. That is also referred as Champaran Satyagraha. Okay. It took place in 1917. So Gandhiji fought for the sharecroppers. Sharecroppers were no one else but the peasants. Okay, and they were just farming in the land estates of the British landlords, and they had an agreement. All those things I talked earlier. According to that agreement, they were not supposed to pay rent to the landlords, but in the 15% area of the total land estate, they are supposed to grow indigo, and that entire crop they are supposed to hand over to the landlords instead of paying rent. Okay, this was the agreement, and it was going on quite well. No party has had any issue. But then suddenly in Germany, they came to know that Germany started growing synthetic indigo. So its value and what its demand was more in the international market. So the landlords over here, British landlords, they thought that now who would purchase our indigo? And that's why they wanted to release the farmers from that agreement. So they said that no, instead of that indigo, you give us money as rent. Now farmers, they were in pitiable condition. They had already grown indigo. Where would they go to sell it in the international market? So that was the issue. And then one particular sharecropper named Rajkumar Shukla, he was told by somebody that Gandhi, this guy would help you. So that's why he came to meet Gandhiji. He related the entire incident to Gandhiji, and he said that you come to fight for us over there because we want some educated person. Okay, and Gandhiji was already a lawyer. So Gandhiji was busy for some time. So wherever Gandhiji went for those 6 months, he followed him. Finally, Gandhiji had to say that, see, after 2 months I'll be coming to Calcutta side. So from there you can take me to your place. Then I'll come. Okay. Then Gandhiji goes over there. From there, Rajkumar Shukla just leads him to his place. And afterwards, what happens? First, Gandhiji goes to meet Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, I told you in my previous video, he was the president of the Constitution Assembly, and he was also the first president of India. So he was also a very influential person, student. So Gandhiji went there, but he was not at home. And his servants thought that, like Rajkumar Shukla, this person is also a sharecropper. Means Gandhiji is also a sharecropper. So they did not even allow them to take water from their well. They thought that they would pollute it. Okay, that was the condition at that time. And afterwards, you see, he, Gandhiji went and met Professor Kriplani, and he stayed at the house of Professor Malkani, who was a government teacher. So I told you last time his job was also in danger because he was a government teacher. Means British government was providing him job and salary. And if they came to know that he is giving shelter to a person who is fighting against us, then what will happen? He would lose his job. So all those circumstances were there. Then also he allowed Gandhiji to stay at his house. Now from there we will proceed what happens next. Okay, it was an extraordinary thing in those days. Gandhi commented, for a government professor to harbor a man like me. The government was also British and he was doing job at Britishers place only, under Britishers. और उनको पता चले कि ये ऐसे बंदे को रखते हैं जो हमारे खिलाफ ही लड़ रहा है, तो he would lose his job. Understood? So that's why Gandhiji says that it was extraordinary thing in those days. Okay. For a government professor to harbor a man like him, okay, like me, so shelter a man like me. In smaller localities, the Indians were afraid to show sympathy for advocates of home rule. Okay, those people who were asking for the home rule means Swaraj. उन जैसे लोगों के लिए स्मॉलर एरिया में मीन्स वेयर पीपल आर वेरी फ्यू, people will not show any sympathy for them. Otherwise, along with them, the people who are showing sympathy, they will also be arrested. Understood? But here, Professor Malkani showed that sort of sympathy and allowed Gandhiji to stay at his house. The news of Gandhi's advent, yani arrival, and of the nature of his mission spread quickly through Muzaffarpur and to Champaran. So very quickly, the news got spread. Gandhiji has come to fight for the sharecroppers. Understood? In Champaran also this news became widespread, and in Muzaffarpur also it became widespread. Then, sharecroppers from Champaran began arriving on foot and by conveyance. By conveyance means by bullock cart or whatever vehicle was available. तो वैसे वो वहाँ आने लगे to see their champion. To see their champion means their champion is Gandhiji. Somebody has come to help us. Somebody has come to fight for us. So all the sharecroppers of that area, that region, just came to see over there to see their champion. Muzaffarpur lawyers called on Gandhi to brief him. Okay, called on means just met, sent. Okay, came to meet him. So they called on to meet Gandhiji to brief him. To brief him means to make him aware about what is the exact situation. They frequently represented peasant groups in court. Okay, so these lawyers were the lawyers who were fighting on the peasant sides very often in the court if they had any issue with the landlords. Okay, so same lawyers came and informed Gandhiji about this particular issue. They told him about their cases and reported the size of their fees. Okay, they reported that normally we fight for these sharecroppers, we charge them this much. So their fee was really high. Okay. Now what is Gandhiji's reaction, that we will see. Gandhi chided them. Chided means scolded. Scolded bitterly. Gandhi chided the lawyers for collecting big fee from the sharecroppers. He said, I have come to the conclusion that we should stop going to law courts. बोले तो बोले कि ये कोर्ट में नहीं जाना चाहिए, लॉ कोर्ट में नहीं जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि वहाँ तुम्हें जल्दी इंसाफ नहीं मिलता है, and the lawyers they keep on charging very high fees. So Gandhiji says that I have come to the conclusion that we should stop going to law courts. Taking such cases to the courts does little good. इसमें बहुत कम अच्छा होता है, बाकी बुरा ही होता है normally. Where the peasants are so crushed and fear-stricken, law courts are useless. They are already afraid. If they are called in the court for some witness and other things, they might speak certain things which go in against them. Understood? So that's why here he says that already they are crushed by the British landlords. They are fear-stricken. उसमें भी ये लॉ कोर्ट में जाएंगे तो ये हार ही जाएंगे, उल्टी सजा होगी इनको, तो हमें ये इश्यू लॉ कोर्ट में नहीं ले जाना है. Understood? That was first reaction of the Gandhiji. The real relief for them is to be free from fear. So first of all, they should overcome this fear of the British landlord. They must overcome the fear of going into the law courts. Okay, that was Gandhiji's observation, and that's what he told the lawyers. Most of the arable land in Champaran district was divided into large estates. Now here we come to know what was the exact agreement. I already told you in my first video. of this particular lesson. So again here it is given in detail. Most of the arable means agricultural land, in the Champaran district was divided into large estates owned by the Englishmen. I told you all those landlords were English people, and the people working over there were the Indians. Okay, and worked by Indian tenants. So Indian farmers would take that land on rent. So instead of rent, they were growing indigo for their landlords. The chief commercial crop was indigo. The landlords compelled all tenants to plant 3/20th or 15% of their holdings with indigo. ये मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया था कि 15% would be covered by indigo cultivation only and surrender the entire indigo harvest as rent. तो उनको रेंट में पैसे नहीं देने हैं, पर ये पूरा जो पाक हो इंडिगो का वो पूरा उनको दे देना. ओके, इंडिगो एंटायर क्रॉप शुड बी given to the English landlords. This was done by long-term contract. इसके लिए उन्होंने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी साइन करवाया था. Presently, the landlords learned that Germany had developed synthetic indigo. So it was going on well, but suddenly they came to know that Germany has started growing synthetic indigo. Okay, they thereupon obtained agreements from the sharecroppers to pay them compensation for being released from the 15% arrangements. Okay, that's why they then called कि we will end the agreement, but instead of paying the that indigo, you pay us money. Earlier we asked you to grow indigo in the 15% of area. Now we don't want that, we want money. So now agreement students are such that you cannot break any time, you cannot violate it, and here English people are violating. Now they say we don't want indigo, we want money as rent. Understood? So that's why a farmer's condition was pitiable. Okay, the sharecropping arrangement was irksome to the peasants. Whatever this contract was there, that was very irksome. Irksome means annoying, troublesome, and many signed willingly. Okay, many signed willingly. Those who resisted engaged lawyers. ये कई फार्मरों ने ये साइन कर दिया था, उनके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. दे डिड नॉट हैव देयर ओन लैंड, सो दे विल हैव टू टेक समबडीज लैंड एंड डू फार्मिंग. सो मेनी फार्मर्स जस्ट साइंड विलिंगली एंड अदर्स प्रोटेस्टेड. सो व्हाट हैपेंड टू देम स्टूडेंट्स? दोज हु रेजिस्टेड यानी प्रोटेस्टेड, एंगेज्ड लॉयर्स, उनको फिर लॉयर्स रखने पड़ते थे. द लैंडलॉर्ड्स हायर्ड ठग्स. ठग्स मीन्स द बुली पीपल, गुंडे जैसे लोग. लैंडलॉर्ड्स ये ठग जैसे लोग रखते थे, यानी बुलिंग पीपल, जो गुंडे जैसे लोग रखते थे. और अब फार्मर्स लोग वकील को हायर करते थे. अंडरस्टूड? मीनवाइल द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट सिंथेटिक इंडिगो रीच्ड the illiterate peasants who had signed, and they wanted their money back. Understood? Now students, those who had already signed this agreement, illiterate peasants, इनके कानों तक भी बात गई कि अभी ये लोग हमसे इंडिगो क्यों नहीं मांगते हो और पैसा क्यों मांगते हैं. क्योंकि ये सिंथेटिक इंडिगो ग्रो होना शुरू हो गया है जर्मनी में, इसलिए दे आर आस्किंग फॉर व्हाट? दे आर आस्किंग फॉर मनी एंड नॉट इंडिगो क्रॉप. So they thought that what about the crop? You give us money for that. That's what their demand was. At this point, Gandhi arrived in Champaran. He began by trying to get the facts. So गांधी जी, जैसे राजकुमार शुक्ला ने कहा, वो सचमान के अंदर कूद नहीं पड़े. Okay, he was not an ordinary person. Students, anybody who fights such cases in the court should have complete detail and the actual facts. If he goes in the court with some what we say, some wrong informations, then he will lose the case. So here Gandhiji tried to obtain all the information about the facts of this case. First he visited the secretary of the British Landlords Association. Okay, the secretary told him that they could give no information to an outsider, because Gandhiji was basically not from Champaran, he was from Gujarat. So secretary वो भी ब्रिटिश लोगों का ही है, तो he denied to give any information. to an outsider. Gandhi answered that he was no outsider because he is taking a big view. You might consider me that I am not a Bihari person, but I am an Indian. So how can I be an outsider? Okay, Champaran is in Bihar. So they would say that we cannot give information to any other person except Bihari people. So Gandhiji said, okay, but I am an Indian. In India, I have the right to move anywhere I like to go. Okay, in my own country, I can move. Okay. Next, Gandhi called on the British official commissioner of the Tirhat division in which Champaran district lay. Okay. So then he went to meet the British official commissioner. वो टिरहट डिवीजन में आता था वो उसका. The commissioner, Gandhi reports, proceeded to bully me and advised me forthwith to leave Tirhat. तो ये कमिश्नर ने तो क्या कहा? कमिश्नर ने तो उनके खिलाफ ऐसे दादागिरी दिखाई. तू कौन है भाई? कौन क्यों आया है? चल भाग जा यहाँ से. Okay, he just told Gandhi like this very roughly कि you will have to leave this particular area Tirhat. बाहर के आके यहाँ के मामलों में क्या दखल कर रहे हो? Okay. Gandhi did not leave. Instead, he proceeded to Motihari, the capital of Champaran. Now, capital of Champaran in those days was Motihari. Several lawyers accompanied him at the railway station. A vast multitude greeted Gandhi. He went to a house and, using it as headquarters, continued his investigations. Okay, students. Now, from here, he started investigating in the case. Means he is trying to collect the still more informations about the exactness of this case. A report came in that a peasant had been maltreated in a nearby village. Gandhi decided to go and see कि भाई बाजू के गांव में एक पेशेंट के साथ खराब बर्ताव हुआ है, maltreated, okay, यानी ill treated. So he decided to go and see. The next morning he started out on the back of an elephant. हाथी पे बैठ के गए. Students, sometimes there are such political leaders who go on such procession. Why? Just to attract the attention of the common people. So Gandhi adopted this way in 1917. He could go on foot also, he could go in bullock cart also, but he went on an elephant. He sat on the back of the elephant and went. Why? So that way he could attract the attention of the people that I have come over here and I am going to fight for you guys. Understood? So he will get the people's support also and sympathy also. Students. Then he had not proceeded far when the police superintendent's messenger overtook him. अभी वो जा ही रहे थे और पुलिस सुपरिटेंडेंट का मैसेंजर आया एंड ऑर्डर्ड हिम टू रिटर्न टू टाउन. ऑर्डर कर दिया कि भाई जाओ इन हिज कैरेज कि हेलीपैड से उतरो, मेरी गाड़ी में तुम वापस जहां से आए हो वहां चले जाओ. गांधी कंप्लाइड. गांधी जी उतर गए. गांधी डिड एज ही सेड. द मैसेंजर ड्रो गांधी होम वेयर ही सर्व्ड हिम विथ एन ऑफिशियल नोटिस टू क्विट चंपारण इमीडिएटली. सो व्हेन ही रीच्ड होम, that official superintendent's messenger who had come, he served him an official notice. नोटिस में लिखा गया था क्या? ये चंपारण आपको छोड़ना पड़ेगा, चंपारण छोड़ के चले जाओ, ऐसी नोटिस भेजी उनके ऊपर. ओके. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंस? गांधी signed a receipt for the notice and wrote on it that he would disobey the order. Okay, if any other person is there of these days, they would say what? They would show a lot of power. कि तू कौन होता है अगर मुझे ऑफिस छोड़ ये मेरी जगह छोड़ने को बोलने वाला. अंडरस्टूड. बट गांधी जी जस्ट टुक द रिसिप्ट एंड ऑन द बैक पार्ट ऑफ इट ही रोट दैट ही विल डिसओबे द ऑर्डर. कुछ बोले भी नहीं, सिर्फ लिख के दे दिया कि ये ऑर्डर मैं नहीं मानूंगा. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ इट इज इंटरेस्टिंग. व्हाट विल हैपन, व्हाट विल दे डू, हाउ विल दे ट्रीट गांधी जी. सो ऑल दोस थिंग्स स्टूडेंट्स वी विल सी इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. So till that time, just you maintain your interest in the same lesson. Okay, one single person can change the entire management system. Okay, if he has got that firmness of mind. So here Gandhiji shows that firmness of mind. Understood? So what happens to Gandhiji? Is he successful in his struggle? Okay, how he fights for the share purpose? All those things, students, we will see in my next video. So till that time, stay fit, stay fine. God bless you. Have a good day. Thank you.